Here I have Google Nest Hub Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, you will have to open the Google Home app on the mobile device to which your hub is connected. Then access it through this app, go to its settings, then go to the notifications and digital well-being, and then to the night mode. And here you can enable night mode. You can set up a schedule for this mode. You can select time, you can select days. In additional settings, this is the additional settings. In additional settings, you can select if you want to enable no disturb mode while night mode is on. And here you can select the maximum volume at night. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.